Yes, Empire Crypto TV. Be sure to subscribe and like our shows. This is Empire Crypto TV. Thank you for joining us. And right here in front of me, you can see that we are pushing the main event that is coming on the 4th, Saturday, 2023 at 1300 hours. Copy my trades, financial freedom in 2023. Come along at the venue Apollo Hotel here in Joburg. Show some love and learn how to make passive income through automated trading and copy trading. So if you are someone not interested in putting so much into focus in candlesticks and technical analysis, well, we have a course for that. But if you are someone who's looking to make passive income without even getting involved into the market, by just simply, depositing a certain amount of money and, start earning, this is gonna be a automated copy trading free event that will be covering all on that. Okay, let's just go to our main show, how to avoid scammers. Okay, we're talking about scams. It's a big issue in the industry across not only just the trading industry, not only just in the forex or crypto, but scammers are all over that. So some of the things that I will be sharing are basically dealing with the overall scamming way of avoiding scams. Okay, so these are some of the most formidable ways of avoiding scams. Very basic stuff. There are a lot of people who fall into traps and ending up paying thousands and thousands of dollars to people that they don't even know, and accounts are here to be blown, and you hear that people have lost their belongings, even losing their homes, which can be quite tough. So this, in the digital age, as we move towards the digital age, we are in the digital age and things are floating in the digital way. So scammers are the criminals that you should avoid throughout the digital age. So this is how to avoid scams. Beware of scams. Let's go through it. It's all written. There are 4 ways that has been labeled, 4 signs that it's a scam. Now, you should consider the signs first. Scammers pretend to be from an organization you know. Scammers often pretend to be contacting you on behalf of the government. They might use a real name like the Social Security Administration, the IRS in short, or Medicare, or make up a name that sounds official. Some pretend to be from a business, like a utility company, a tech company, or even a charity asking for donations. It does happen, but these ones are a bit light. Okay, these ones you can, people ask for donation, programs that are not real. Okay, you can sort of like suspect sometimes, but there are other ones like this one. Scammers say there is a problem or a price. These ones, most of the time, people get trapped to these. If you are vulnerable and you are a person with a lot of debts and you've been avoiding debts and you become desperate, yeah, you might get caught here, and then they might say you are in trouble with the government, and it can trigger something within you and say, oh man, I owe so and so, and you find out that the source of the message is not even from those people that you owe, but just because it's a trap, because it's a scam, and then you just fall into it just like this. So there are a lot of people who get into that. Or you owe money, or someone in your family had an emergency, or that there is a virus on your computer. Okay, the computer virus one, we're pretty aware of that. People who use computers, just pop up messages every now and then. Some scammers say there is a problem with one of your accounts and that you need to verify some information. Others will lie and say you won money or a lottery sweepstakes, but have to pay a fee to get it. I see messages coming on my phone now and then, SMSs. I'm used to it. It's not such a bad thing, but scammers pressure you to act immediately. This one is for traders, for people who subscribe to brokers, sign up for brokers who advertise ways of making money. A lot of people fall into this one. Scammers pressure you to act immediately. They will promise you 40%, 100% raise. You'll make so much amount of money within so much time, especially in so much short time. Get in there and start making money and start getting rich. Come on. Yeah, those kind of people, like, they fall into that. Scammers want you to act before you have time to think. They don't want you to think. Thinking is a problem for scammers. Okay, if you are on the phone, they might tell you not to hang up so you can't check out their history. So also it's important to check out the company's history, who they are, what they do. They might threaten to arrest you, sue you, take away your driver's or business license, or deport you. They might say your computer is about to be corrupted. That's another way. Last but least one is scammers tell you to pay in a specific way. They often insist that you pay by using cryptocurrency, by wiring money through a company like MoneyGram, watch out for these, or Western Union, or by putting money on a gift card and then giving them the number on the back. Watch out for those ones. Some will send you a check that will later turn out to be fake, then tell you to deposit it and send them money. Now, avoiding these, okay, how to avoid a scam. Okay, block unwanted calls and text messages. Take steps to block unwanted calls and filter unwanted messages. This is one thing that you can do. It's as the first step. So, trading in an industry, coming into the trading industry, there are levels of scammers. There are people who come to you face to face. Okay, they can convince you face to face. But since I've started trading, I've also learned that you should look into the background of that particular company. Ask for their license or their number of their license, or something that will ascribe it as legal, So there are a lot of people who are desperate. Don't be too desperate. Don't be too greedy. Okay? Don't fall into traps like big promises. Big promises are also a sign of scams as well. So beware of scams. This is my message to you, Empire Crypto TV. And also to mention that we also have courses if you want to learn how to trade, and we also can teach you how to avoid scammers and coaching you in learning how to understand the market, how it works, for the knowledge sake. We also take pride in teaching beginners the simple basics of currency trading or cryptocurrency trading as well. So this Empire Crypto TV has been good. Thank you. Until next time.